Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn about the Laravel 8 new feature Jetstream. We will see what is that, how we can install it, how we can manage the Jetstream database, and after doing everything it will be working fine, and then we will just look around this project, how it's actually working and how we can register the things and login and all. And at the last I will ask you an interview question. You can attempt this interview question in the comment box, and if you don't know then you can just google it, or you can ask me in the comment box. I will answer it, right? So the question is, what is Jetstream? Jetstream is a package of the Laravel, and it will provide you the basic functionality of a project, like it will automatically generate the login, it will automatically generate the registration functionality, API logout functionality, and a basic layout system also, right? And you can use this Jetstream with the two front-end framework. Either you can use it with the Livewire, or either you can use it with the Inertia, right? So now let's start. And first of all, I'm just going to show you that how many commands you need to use in this project. So first of all, you have to check the Laravel version. So let's see how we can do it. So just write here PHP. Oh, we don't need to put here PHP, my bad. Just use here Laravel -v. So if your Laravel version is 4 and the greater than the 4, then you can use the Jetstream, and if this is the lower than the 4, then you have to reinstall it or update it, right? So in this video I'm not going to tell you how we can upgrade it in a very detail with the complete example. I will make a complete separate video on it, but there is a two commands that if you just run these, then you can easily update your Laravel version. So first of all, you have to remove your Laravel installer. So your current package will be removed. Then you can just again install the Laravel installer, and it will install the latest package, right? So you can just simply run these two commands, right? So now let's clear out and all these things, and now let's see, because my version is Laravel 4 point something, so it will be working fine. So now let's go on the dashboard 8, and here I'm just going to make my project. So just write here Laravel new and your project name. So my project name is, let's say, jet try, and just use your -- jet, right? So now it will just ask that you want to use the Livewire or Inertia, right? So I will prefer the Livewire, so just choose that one. And now it will ask that, will you application use in a team? So now I'm alone, so I will just say it no, right? And now it will just starting the installation of your project. After that, it will just ask to run the two commands, npm install and npm run dev. And after that you can use the PHP artisan server, but you will find some database related errors, right? And that time we will just remove these errors with the config file, and we will use the PHP artisan migrate also, right? So this project is actually just installing now. So I'm just going to pause the video, and whenever it will install, I will come back here, right? So Laravel is installed now. So now just it will asking for the two commands, please execute the npm install and npm run dev. So just go to our folder, which is jet try, and run here npm install and npm run dev. So you can run these commands separately also if you want. Then if you want to run the both of in a single command, then still that's okay, then you can use the end, right? So let's just wait for installation of it. So now everything is installed. So now let's try to run here PHP artisan serve, and now, oh, my bad, and we will see that there is a error for a moment. So just run here PHP artisan PHP 801, right? 8001. So now you can see that access denied for the user root and all, right? So for that, let's go to our project. Let's open in the Visual Studio Code, and just change some database configuration in the env file, right? So first thing is that my database name is not jettry. I did not make it yet. So for that, let's open the php my admin. So you will find some warnings here, so you can ignore for a moment because this is not related to the Laravel, right? So I'm just going to make a new database here, and let's say my database name is jetdb. Create it. This is here, and for a moment this database is blank, right? So now let's put here database name is jetdb, and password in your case might be password is blank, but in my case this is red hat @123, right? So now when you just trying to run it, then you will find another error, right? So now you can see that jetdb.session is not existing here, right? So for that you just have to run here php artisan migrate and hit enter. So now you will see there around 6 or 7 tables will be migrated in your database. You can check it out here, around 6 table, right? And session table is here, which is just giving a shitting error, right? So now just try again it with it, and this is working fine. Now you can just register as a new user here. So let's say my name is jetman, and email id is anil@test or something, and password can be like abc@12345. just put it again, abc@12345, and we can register it. So now you can see that there is a nice dashboard, and even you can just visit your profile also like this, right? So you can just select a new image here. So let's try to select it, and when you just select it and save it, you will find that the image is actually not working. The reason behind is that in the env file our app URL is different to our actual URL, right? So I'm just going to put it the actual URL here, right? So just remove it, and now we can run it simply here and just make it refresh hard, right? And let me see what is that issue actually. Now you can see that we got the image here. So even you can change it. So let's say you put some different image, and you can save it, right? This is working fine. So that is the basics of Jetstream. If you still have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. And here is the interview question is that you can see that we can use the Jetstream authentications for login and registration. Can we use the Jetstream with the API also, right? So you can answer this question in the comment box if you know, and if you don't know, please Google it or ask me in the comment box. Bye bye, take care.